In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you about the footer for your websites. Now, the footer is the very bottom-most section of a website. You can see we have nothing in this footer. It's just a black bar, and that'll just signify the end of the website, and you can't scroll down anymore. However, you can add additional content into that footer, such as certain widgets. You access the footer by going to Options, and it's located right underneath the header. And if you want to add anything to the footer, simply add a widget to the footer. And you're limited in the types of widgets that will actually work in the footer, but you still have a large variety. So if you want to add, like, let's say a button, so you can have somebody call you on the phone, and you want to put that on the very bottom of the website, it's very simple to do so. You just simply create a button just like normal. If you're not familiar how buttons work, simply watch the buttons tutorial in the widgets. And then when you add that button, you'll see when we scroll down, there is now the Call Me button on the website. And users can easily access that on the very bottom of the website. You can add multiple widgets, and you can determine how those widgets show up. And you can also add additional content, such as the menu. So if you wanted to add your navigation menu or text in the footer, you can do so simply by choosing that there, and then now you'll see there's the menu. We can now navigate to the different pages of the website, and you can also add additional script by entering it into the body tag here. And you can add additional script by entering it in this bottom section here.